sun. Look at the sun. Oh, beautiful. That tire shouldn't be that loud because all the rest of them don't sound like to me. The tires in the back on both sides and this tire over here is not loud.
It's over here.
Yeah, it's on this. This is the only point. This is the only side over here. You know, to the right in front of us is all that is. You know, that's the noise maker. It's on this side. Unless it's a bad tire or something like that, or
I don't know.
Well, this is what our, you know, this is what our journey is all about, I guess. That tire. Don't come out there. Don't come out of there. Yeah, I knew we'd run up on one of these things. Ain't got no respect for the little kids coming out there now.
Shit, I be goddamn scared.
Don't even make no sense. It don't make no sense. How
that boy almost died.
Yeah.
In a split second. If he had took one more step, he'd be dead.
Yeah, we're here at the place. And we're trying to see what's wrong with this this right front wheel. Seems like it's roaring, like it might be ball bearings in the wheel or something. Hello, folks. Yeah, we're back home now, and turned out that's what it was. It was a ball bearing in the right front wheel. Be back for more adventures with Real Life with James. Please like and subscribe.